one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. It did. This one thing you saw made me feel it. It's this one thing you did. I can't help it.
Hello to all my sugar babies. Welcome back. If you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share this video. And today we're going to be doing another wig review. This hair was sent over by Samsbeauty, so shout out to them for sponsoring this video. They sent over the Wet Lace by Sensational in the style Kiyari, and it is in a color 1. Okay, so we're not going to do a lot of talking today. We're going to get straight into the install. On the other side of that, we will do like my final thoughts, what I think of the hair, and all of that. So sit back and relax and let's go. Okay guys, so my final thoughts on this unit would be that it is big head friendly. I feel like this is a very well-rounded unit. You can throw it up into a high ponytail, have it half down if you like, do a middle part, a good side part, do your good swoop. As you can see, you can get really cute. This can also be very everyday if you want it to be. It's a great length for summertime, nothing super duper long. It has a yaki texture, very fluffy. In person, it's not shiny, and it does remind you of, you know, just straightening out your own natural hair, but it's not stiff or anything like that. And the only down thing to this wig is it does shed a little bit, as you can see. And a lot of times when wigs shed a lot, it's just loose hair within the wig. And once that hair comes out, all the rest of the hair has been sewn down the way it should be, and you shouldn't have any problems, but you do have to get past that little shedding phase with that unit. So yes, this is Kiyari. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. And until next time, stay sweet.